Buenas noches, mi nombre es Jimena Restrepo. En este momento voy a presentar la actividad número 4 de la evidencia número 2, que se llama Business Meeting Workshop. Driving Truck and Sustainability in Colombia. Companies often collaborate with suppliers and customers to reduce the carbon footprint of their freight operation. Colombian manufacturers Corona and the Center for Latin America Logistics Innovation CLE, based in Bogota, Colombia, have teamed up with another important logistics player to lower carbon emission, the truck driver community. Found 18 everyone founded 1881. Corona is one of the largest manufacturers in South America. It has 6 business units and 12 plants in Colombia, 3 in Central America, 1 in Brazil, and 3 plants in the United States. The company makes products ranging from construction materials and household ceramics. 6 years ago, Corona launched an environmental sustainability program that set goals for improvement in 5 areas: climate change, more efficient use of energy and reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, eco-efficiency, more efficient use of water and the reduced water footprint, conservation of natural resources, developing sustainable products and regular employees. In support of its climate change goal, Corona set a target of achieve a 10% reduction in the company carbon footprint by 2020. Over the last 5 years, the footprint has shrunk by 5% and has, as part of its effort to double this figure, Corona has created an initiative called the Eco Driving Project to decrease the emissions associated with freight transportation. Corona owns 50 trucks and employs about 1,000 independent operation drivers to haul its goods. The initial focus of the project is on the field of 50 company-owned vehicles in Colombia. A 9-month pilot program managed by CLE was completed recently. As part of the pilot, CLE quantified truck fuel consumption, and analyzed drivers' work patterns using hardware and software that sense engine variables. The data was used to design a driver training program on operating vehicle in accordance with manufacturer specification, engine parameters, regional, environmental, and topography condition, and the company sustainability goals. The main purpose was to improve drive performance by teaching best practice in vehicle in operation and planet maintenance. The course was created in collaboration with SENA, Servicio Nacional de Aprendizaje, the government-run Community College Organization of Colombia, the Universidad Andrés Bello, Chile, participated in the teaching session, and CEMA, Centro de Investigación en Mecatrónica Automotriz, a research center at technology de Monterrey University in Mexico, contributed to the project Conciencias, the National Science Organization of Colombia provided funding. We are partnering with our drive to help us meet our sustainability goals and increase the efficiency of our fleet, said Mario Bernal, chef exclusivo environmental in SUS Corona. For example, standardizing vehicle speed, maintaining the correct tire pressures, and optimizing the use of the brakes increase the efficiency of truck, low fuel consumption, and reduce emission level. Streamlining the issue of truck at Logic Center was also part of the pilot. An analysis of the training program and the project overall carried out by CLE confirmed that the initiative was a success. A 14% improvement gallons per kilometer performance as well as 6% reduction in fuel costs were achieved. During the project execution, the fifth greenhouse gas emission level declined by 19% and the program could cause be lowering coronas full bill and enabling the company to operate its truck more cost effectively. The pilot also delivered some important gains for drivers. They benefit from reduced accident rates as a result of the better driving practice. There were quality of life improves as well because driving schedules were less variable during the pilot. Bernal said one of the most important results is the change in the motivation of drivers, in addition to changing the way they do their jobs. Drivers provided valuable ideas for further improvements. For example, they suggest that vehicle speed should be adjusted to take account of different terrains, such as mountainous areas. The driving culture has changed because drivers know now what a carbon footprint is and how it connects to their hubs. This increases their motivation to make a contribution, says Bernal. The project is now being rolled out to Corona's owner-operator driver community, and there is interest in extending the program to other fleets perfect in comparison with the Colombian government. There are over 500,000 truck drivers in Colombia, and training them to be more aware about sustainability is relatively easy and low-cost way to reduce the carbon footprint of freight transportation, says Bernal.